Cabinet Secretary, Speaker of the National Assembly, Leader of Majority in the Senate, all ministers, all governors, all MPs, and all Muslims gathered here this evening. Assalamu alaikum. Your Excellency, it's indeed an honor to be here for this iftar invite. And I want to join the rest of the leaders who have acknowledged your recognition of the Muslim Ummah. It is now your third year in office, and every year during the month of Ramadan, you've not failed to invite the Muslims here at the State House. This is indeed great honor, and we want to thank you very much. Secondly, I also want to agree with the leaders who said that your administration has indeed rewarded Muslim Ummah at every level of governance, be it in the executive, and indeed as recognized here by the Secretary General of UDA, even in the political arena and in the development sphere of our great nation, Kenya. Today, the road joining Isiolo to Mandera is in the process of being done, and contractors are all on site, and we want to acknowledge your effort in ensuring that there is no discrimination in any part of this country. Finally, and most importantly, the fact that you declared issuance of identity cards are going to be fair for every child in this nation is the very most important legacy you are leaving with the Muslims and indeed all the pastoral communities and the border communities in this nation who have been discriminated against. I want to say that to those whom much has been given, much is required. So for those of us who have been acknowledged and have been treated fairly by yourself, we want to pledge support to your administration and to yourself, Your Excellency. Thank you very much, and God bless you.